Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a hair removal device, and we're gonna give this thing a try and see if we can remove some hair. It says IPL Home Use Hair Removal Device. It's the JD-TM012 with ice cooling. Okay, let's see what we got here. So we have our quick guide, which kind of explains how it works, I guess. It's probably, yeah, it doesn't really work on gray hair, so I'm not gonna be able to remove all the hair from my head, but maybe I can get some out of my arm or something for you. We have a little cleaning thing. We have the full manual. We have the device right here with the laser inside of it, I guess. We have some glasses and a shaver. Why do you need a shaver if you're gonna be removing the hair? But okay. Oh, I guess you should probably shave the area first. Look at, I did it on my arm here. I shaved it a little bit. But okay, and then we have our glasses to protect us. And then we have our power adapter for it right there. So, I mean, let's look at this thing and see how it works. I guess the way it works is you shave your underarms first if you're a woman. Or for me, I shave my arm first. Ha ha ha. And then we put on our glasses because we need to protect our eyes all the time. We're working with lasers. We definitely don't want to laser our eyes. How cool do I look? Ooh, it's hard to see. Well, let me see, how do you turn this thing on? Okay, and then let's see, we got the buttons here on the side. We have this button on the top, and then we have these two buttons on the side. So let me see what they are for. So it says you want to clean the laser area here. Where'd that little cleaning cloth go? It probably came cleaned, but we'll just give it a little clean anyways. Okay, we are extra clean now. We prepare the area, we star and wear goggles and choose the energy level. So I guess this is gonna be the power, and then that's gonna be the energy level. And then when the skin sensor keeps flash after the light, exit window, contacts with skin, and then clean. Okay, well, here goes nothing. Is it battery powered, or do I have to plug it in? I think I might need to. How do you know it's on? It looks like it's battery powered. Maybe it needs to be charged first or something. Let me try that. Let's see. Or maybe I'm doing it wrong. It says plug in an electric outlet. Oh, you have to plug it in. So it needs to be plugged in. How close are we? We're not close enough. I'm gonna drag us over there. We're on tour. Okay, here we are at our electric outlet. Right here. Oh, I left the device over there. Oh, here it is. There, now we are plugged in. Oh, it says off. Oh, there, now it's on, and you can hear it's doing whatever it does. And I guess this is the power level here, and then this would be the make it go. Let's see. And there we go. So, okay, so that's how it does. I didn't really even feel anything. I just got scared with the light. But I'm gonna turn this off for right now. Oh, and it's counting down something. I guess for the different charges or something. I'm just gonna unplug it here because I don't wanna go blind. But that's how it works. I mean, so it did something here. You can't really even see what it did because it's just doing its laser thing. But I guess that's how it would work. You're just gonna go up and down like on here in your arms and make it go. So it didn't hurt, and it had cooling. It was cold. I guess this part here stays cold, so it cools off the area as it goes, and it gets rid of your hair. So it's kind of a cool device. I'm gonna say I like it, thumbs up.